The TeraFlex JL jounce bumpers were made to be part of Falcon Shock's zone rate tuning, but are suitable for any suspension setup even when Falcon Shocks are not in use. Made of high-performance microcellular foam, they will increase the effective spring rate in the bottom-out zone to help reduce bottoming out and body roll during off-road driving. Raise the vehicle near and remove the front wheels and tires. Disconnect the sway bar link at the axle end and swing the sway bar up and out of the way. Remove the bolt connecting the front track bar to the axle. Detach the bracket connecting the brake lines to the front lower control arms. Remove the axle actuator plug by pushing in the locking tab. Remove any zip ties or plastic clips connecting the line to the upper control arm. Disconnect the breather hose on the axle. On the Rubicon, there is a locker actuator plug that you will also need to disconnect. If you are adding a lift, loosen, but do not remove the bolts on the control arms. Otherwise, leave the control arms alone. Support the axle and remove the bolt on the axle end of the front shock. Raise the vehicle or lower the axle until the springs are loose. Be aware of the brake lines, ABS lines, and any other wires. As much as possible, avoid stretching these. Remove the spring. Remove the factory jounce bumper. Spray some silicone lubricant onto the TeraFlex jounce bumper and install by pushing up into the jounce tube while twisting. Set the spring back into place. Be sure the bottom of the spring matches up with the spring index. Lower the vehicle or raise the axle back up into place. Reconnect the shock and the brake line bracket on the control arm. Reattach the sway bar links to the axle. Reconnect the breather hose, axle actuator plug, and any plastic retainers you removed. It is alright to reinsert the bolt for the track bar while the vehicle is in the air, but do not tighten the bolt until the vehicle is back on the ground. Remove the rear jounce bumper. Spray some silicone lubricant onto the TeraFlex jounce bumper and install by pushing up while twisting.